Guys, this is what came with the for 2014 to a 2018, I believe, for a GMC Sierra or a Chevy, Silverado, Tahoe, bunch of the GM brand and the truck, basically SUV and the trucks. So we got that antenna. You got the this is piece for the aux. USB input factory. You can insert this part to the factory, or you can use one of this if you want it external. And then this is for the this is for like a Bluetooth mirror link or something like that from the phone. And this is a CAN bus, and then this is the wiring. I'm gonna plug it in and see if they work. And this is an antenna, and then this is for the backup camera, and this is for the beep when you open the door, it ding. And this is for if you're hooking up. Actually, this is for the camera also, camera input. And then this is for the subwoofer output and the Bluetooth a mic to hook up right here. See, you can plug in the input, like video input to this and all that good stuff. So now, I mean, I'm gonna plug all of these in here. It should be plug and play, and especially the antenna, and make sure everything works before I put the screw back in. Wiring harness, I'm gonna plug the CAN bus in here, and then I'm gonna plug all of these in here. Well, actually this, yeah, whichever one you want to use right here. So I'm gonna plug this for the later on use for the camera right here. And this truck is mine, my own truck that I'm working on. I'm just testing out this new system, and if you guys want to buy it, you can order from me. I will link my website on this. Like I said, I'm just gonna run everything, and also for the audio ding ding right here, you plug on here. See, there's two plug right here. I can't use one hand, so I'm not gonna hook this up yet. I'm gonna run the wire. I'm gonna run it out here. I'm gonna peel this boots, rubber boots or whatever you call it. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, just peel it out like that, and just run the wire through there underneath and coming up here. And now I'm gonna unplug this part right there, the green. Oops, the whole thing come out. I'm not sure this will work on this specific model. Next, I will unplug this gray plug. I then use this male connector and plug it back to the gray one. See, it won't fit on the green, so it fit on the gray one. Now, after plugging all this, the green, the gray, and that, I'm not gonna worry about the radio or anything like that yet. I'm just gonna check, turn on the key, and check if the screen working okay. If it's not working, that means it's not compatible. All right, so far everything working okay. I'm gonna have to plug the heater control, the climate control back over here. Where is it? Yeah, right here. And these I'll plug it later. I just want to make sure everything working, but so far it's working fine. Let me see if the steering wheel work. Actually, it's not working. I might have to program it or something. Well, I got everything hooked up. It's plain, but the steering wheel's not working, so I did forgot about this one. This what controlled the screen, what it looked like and everything. It's more like CAN bus, where the CAN bus would go. So I'm gonna plug that in. and also the camera. I'm gonna put the camera. This one plug right here is a backup camera. Backup camera should work earlier when it was blank. So let's see what else I need to plug. I was kind of way ahead of myself. So let me see. Ooh, what is that? So let me see if it's I'm turn the key on. Ooh, yes, I like that. So when I'm gonna turn the heater on, I gotta start the car first. So it told me the doors open and everything. So I like that. So far that's gonna work for me for now. I'm gonna keep the radio because this radio is not cheap. I'm gonna keep that radio. I'm gonna keep playing with it, and I'm gonna try to see if it's the steering wheel work or not. Let's see. No, not the steering wheel. It's not working, but everything else working. That's weird. So I had to program it from here and see what happened. Maybe I had to program, maybe not. Oh, still the same. I plug it in. Still black screens. I don't know why yet. And I know I hook up to the right wire right here for the camera, but it's not working yet. So, and let me see this input does changing the. Oh, this is on stall. Now I got this. I'm not exactly sure where it go because I don't see anything. So I'm unscrewing this and see if it's in the back. Oh, might be that one right there. Let's try that. Let's plug that in, see what happens. Plug this to the back of that CD. No, this is not it. So this radio is not compatible with mine. I don't know why it said GMC Sierra from 14 to 18 and mine is 2015. So I'm gonna pause right here. I'm gonna contact the seller and see what I have to do about it. If not, I'm just gonna have to resell it. I didn't get a chance to talk with the support yet. I don't know if I can get a support from China, so I'm gonna have to try to figure it out myself. And it seemed like the volume up and down is not working. I kind of paused the turn it down, the music, because of the YouTube. So I can be able to go to the left and move it forward and backward, you see. But I cannot control the volume. I probably can make it work by, I'm pretty sure this brown wire is the one that controls the steering wheel. Oh, that's a parking. There's a brown wire that came from this plug right there that go up to the CAN bus. So it should work, but I don't know why it's not working. And like I said, that orange wire, I'm not sure where it went, where it go. And they don't have one over here. I'm just gonna unplug it and I'll go check it out some more, guys. Before you installing this, if you do it yourself at home, just put it in up here like this before you put everything together, and then you like, oh shoot, it didn't work. It worked for me on right here, but it's not the volume. I don't care about that. The camera's not working either. So I know I can bypass it on my other video. I will share a link below how to bypass that. So I might keep it or I might not. I don't know yet. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So yeah, for right now, I'm just gonna put everything back and see what I can learn, or if anybody have an experience with this, let me know. Or if you see any site that's that show how to do, because this is a GMC Sierra. It's got a big screen, so that's what I was afraid of. It might not work, so it didn't. Not all of it will work, but I definitely can make it work. But I might be missing something. I'm not sure, especially that control right there. It's kind of weird because I went to here, setting, car setting, Whoop, not call setting. I can go back to it right here. Up here. Steering wheel setting. Or I can go setting right here. It should take me to more. Oh, no. I got Bluetooth set up already. It's supposed to show me the steering wheel setting up here, but it's not. I guess they must have put it up here already, where that spot right there, where I don't know, I can't program it right. Release the steering wheel button and select function. So I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna press volume up and then come up here and hold it. Nothing. So nothing is working, even I push it. So yeah, I'm just gonna see if anybody got any advice for this